Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a rich tomato sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes or high-quality canned whole peeled tomatoes. Also, grab a medium onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Don't forget fresh basil, oregano, salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's build our flavor base. Start by finely chopping 1 medium onion and 4 cloves of garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté them gently until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more, being careful not to burn it. This aromatic foundation is key. It's time to add the star ingredient. Pour in 2 pounds of crushed tomatoes or whole peeled tomatoes that you've crushed by hand. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh basil, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook uncovered for at least 45 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your rich tomato sauce is almost ready. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning, adding more salt, pepper, or a pinch of sugar if needed to balance the acidity. For an extra touch of richness, you can stir in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter just before serving. Garnish with fresh basil leaves. This versatile sauce is perfect over pasta, as a base for pizza, or with meatballs. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.